Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening the Cast app and signing in. This links your account to devices. Once done, make sure both your phone and the Cast target share the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works. You should grant permissions for local network access and microphone if you plan to use voice controls. They allow device discovery and command relay. Now tap the device's icon, wait for available targets to populate, and select the device you want to cast to so the session starts. You now pick what to cast: your entire screen, a single app window, or a specific media file. Preview to confirm framing and orientation. Once selected, configure stream quality. Choose 720p or 1080p, or leave adaptive to balance quality and latency. Set a bandwidth cap if your network is shared. Make sure to choose audio output and enable subtitles if needed, and use the sync delay control to correct any lip sync or audio lag before you press go live. You complete casting by tapping stop. Confirm the session ended and review the session history for timestamps or errors. If the connection drops, reconnect to the same Wi-Fi or restart the app and target device. If persistent, reboot the router. Make sure your app is updated and background data is allowed. One key troubleshooting tip: run the built-in network diagnostic in settings to test latency and packet loss. Then send logs to support if issues continue, so they can trace the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.